Curdy Bob's Tractor Repair.
Okay, back on this 4850, installing the pinion shaft. We have it stuck in there, as you can see partially. Now you see the new pin right here, how far it protrudes out. If you guys remember in the other video, it did not stick out, it was broke right off. So we definitely got that where it should be now. Here's a shim pack. What you want to do is on the shim packs, you got to put bearing preload on these bearings. So you add 10 thousandths to your shim pack. Then after we torque everything down, make it tight, you are going to then measure your end play. I'll show you that. And then take your end play, subtract the shims out to get 1/1000th. After you take them out, you should have 1/1000th. That gives you your bearing preload. Here's the new bearing that we're going to install on there, but we need to heat this up 300 degrees to make it slide on nice and easy. Because obviously, to get that bearing on that shaft there, it's a lot of work if you don't do that. I've actually installed I guess I'd call it a jam. I'm sure somebody might have a better idea than me, but this works great for me. Wedges the shaft in there so that when I'm knocking this bearing on, it doesn't obviously want to go backwards.